Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nandini this side, and in today's video we're going to review this product. So this is Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Foundation, and now I know it's a mini packaging because I always like to sort of review or sort of test out my products before buying the full size product. So this is how the product looks. I ordered it from Nykaa and I'm going to review its application and drawbacks. Plus, I'm going to do a full face of this with and without topping up the foundation. So right now I've done my eyes and lips for that outcome to really show. So once I wanted to just show my skin in close up. So I have a lot of freckles. As you can see, I also have a lot of dark circles and pigmentation on my forehead. But yes, the main thing that I have on my face are dark circles and freckles. So we're gonna see what coverage can it actually give and can you replace it for a foundation. So here is the applicator of the product. I'm gonna start off by applying this. I got this in shade medium, which technically was suiting me better because I did not want something that would whitewash me a lot. If you can see the application on my forehead, it is very glossy. So let's try and blend it out. So it gives a very sheer coverage and a lot of shine on my face, and I also feel that it is a tone darker, but in mini size there were only 3 shades. It was either very fair, it was either medium or tan, but in full size products you do get a lot of shade options. It doesn't feel like anything. I feel like I have not put anything on my face. It feels so light, but it is definitely very glossy. So what I'm gonna do is, if I want to skip foundation, on one side I'm just gonna apply some concealer under my eyes, and on the other side I'm going to do a full face. Just gonna apply some of it under my eyes. Okay, this one is finished. I need to. The sad reality about me is that I always have a lot of things for others and in my vanity, but for myself I hardly have any products. It's my another concealer from Swiss Beauty. It's hardly like, got it in sale for 200 rupees. That's like 1 point. No, actually it's like around $2 if we convert it into dollars. So here's the application of the product with just some concealer under my eyes. And the one thing that I can really notice is that after I popped on the concealer, first of all the concealer did set really well, and it actually helped me even out the darkness and the dullness that I was feeling, that this is not my actual skin tone. So it actually helped me balance the skin tone, and now I feel that I do not need any foundation. I can just put some blush on, and I really like the shine on my face. And this is my natural contouring because I have pigmented skin, and with some eyelashes, lipstick, concealer, this would work perfectly. And the concealer itself is setting so nicely on this area that I have a very cheap concealer right now, very inexpensive. It was just a drugstore product, but it is setting so well. I feel like I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury foundation in itself. So I'm using shade 6 mixed with 5 cool. So this is 6 warm, and I'm gonna use 5 cool. I'll just fast forward it. Okay, so I'm done. So it surprisingly doesn't look so different. So this side of the face has just the Hollywood Filter foundation and some concealer, and that's about it. So this looks so glowy, and I really like the outcome of this part of my face. If I do add some blush and some contour, I'm really gonna be so ready to like step out. So this area of my face has full coverage foundation from Charlotte Tilbury itself with concealer. This is the face like with the Hollywood filter. This is with Hollywood filter plus foundation. So personally I like this face better. Even though my skin is pigmented, all you need to do is just put a little bit of concealer on the pigmented areas, and I really like the glow that it's giving me. But for me, I have dry skin and I do not wish to put any powder on my face, so this is going to be like a complete makeup look for me. Versus this face, this looks a little bit covered, not gonna lie. So if I do have a wedding to attend, I might go for this side of the face. Please comment down below and tell me that which side would you go for. Personally, I really like both the sides. This one for aiming more natural looks, and this one for more event ready kind of looks, like attending a wedding or so. I think this was it, and I really enjoyed today's experiment because I do not really experiment with foundations. So thank you all for watching my channel, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really want us to hit 3,000 subscribers. And thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, my work page right here. And this was it. We'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye.